Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's video is going to be a full face of glam makeup. Today I am gonna sit with you guys and I'm gonna do my makeup with some new makeup product. I'm gonna try out few new makeup products in front of you guys. Now these products are not like new arrivals, they are like new to me. For the first time I am particularly try out this product. So yeah, without any further ado, if you are interested in watching this video, then please keep on watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's get started. I shaved my face. My face is pretty clean. It's ready for some makeup. Just checking my Nykaa app. I was like, okay, I have to purchase few new makeup products. I was like, okay, I just want something new. So that's the reason I ordered a bunch of new makeup products. I have some of them with me right now. Some of them will be delivered to me afterwards. And I know I am not posting that much because I don't know, I'm not that motivated enough. I was feeling so low and I was not getting any kind of motivation to film a video. Filming video for you guys actually gives me so much mental peace. Maybe it's a 5-minute makeup tutorial or a 2-minute video or a 15 minutes video. I just love talking to you guys. I just love creating content for you guys. Somewhere we all deal with this situation where we are not that motivated enough. So that's the reason why I was not filming that often. I'm gonna use a moisturizer. This is actually not new, but I really love this moisturizer. This one is from Love Earth. I really love this one. This one is from Love Earth and this one is the silicone and paraben free organic face glowing and brightening cream. But I don't really recommend this cream during daytime, during summer especially. So I'm just going to massage it all over my face. I am gonna film a nail tutorial for you guys, definitely. I'm just waiting for a few products. As usual, I'm gonna go with my eyes first, and for that I'm gonna use some concealer. Before I use my eyeshadow, for my concealer I'm gonna use my NYX HD photogenic concealer. This is a really good concealer. Yes, my hair is not pink, my hair is still black, and if you want to watch that video you have to check my Instagram account. So I have this particular, just look at this, so beautiful. I don't know, there is something about pink glitter. I use this eyeshadow palette from Swiss Beauty and this is what it looks like. Here are the shades. You have some metallic shades, you have some shimmer, you have some matte shades, and you have a pressed glitter right over here, which is like so beautiful. Now I don't have any idea what exactly I'm gonna do. I will try to use all the shades. So first I am gonna use this particular shade right over here. Oh, this also comes with a mirror, which is like really good quality as well, which I'm really impressed actually. Swiss Beauty is a very underrated brand and I just personally really love Swiss Beauty. I love Inside Cosmetics. I don't know why people don't really talk about this brand. Use this as a transition shade. Okay, this is pigmented as well as buttery. Like it's blending out so beautifully. And definitely you can build this color. After that I am gonna take this dark brown shade right over here. It's not brown, it's kind of a grayish brownish dark shade. I'm gonna focus it right over here for a little bit of smokiness. So far so impressed. Then I am gonna take this red shade right over here. I don't know where I'm gonna place this red color. It's not that pigmented, but I kind of like it. Okay, I think I'm gonna do a little bit of cut crease, so I'm just gonna take my concealer and I'm gonna cut my crease a little bit because it's obviously too dark. Even if I use the other colors, you will not understand. so want to use this pink shade. Use it first, and after that I am gonna see what else I can use. Okay, this is pigmented. Then I'm gonna use this orangish yellowish kind of shade. I think, yeah, this shimmer shade is actually really pigmented. I honestly don't know what I'm doing, so just bear with me. I am really confused whether I should use the purple shade or this green olive shade. I'm gonna go with the purple one because I think this is turning into a very colorful look. What? This is what my eyes are looking right now. So far, happy enough. I'm gonna use my You Can Be eyeliner, and this is in the shade black. I also have the brown one. Go with black. Use my Sugar Curl Lengthening Mascara. This is a really good mascara actually, especially for your lower lash line. This mascara is really good. I think this is the mini version. Anyways, I am gonna do my face makeup, and for that I have a new foundation. This one is the Faces Canada Weightless Matte Foundation. I also have the weightless foundation, but this one is the matte one. So I really want to try this out. Okay, this looks really light for my skin. To be very honest, the shade range sucks. I use my brush and what? I don't understand. Like, where are you? My Faces Canada foundation. Like, this is giving me less coverage than a BB cream, which I don't really mind. You can actually use this for your everyday basis. I really want to purchase that Flower Beauty foundation. I don't remember the name. It's kind of a new arrival, and I really want to purchase it. To be very honest, this will not give you any coverage, like zero coverage, but I don't really hate this. This was really light for my skin, but right now it perfectly matches me. And second, it's a really good like foundation for everyday use, and this actually evened out my skin as well, which is a really good part. Obviously this is a foundation, this will even out my skin, but still, without having any coverage, this still evened out my skin. I'm gonna use the same concealer from NYX Cosmetics. Set my concealer, I'm gonna use my Nika powder, which is in the shade Rose Beige. Just gonna take my blender, I'm gonna press everything. To finish my lower lash line, I am gonna take this dark brown shade and I'm gonna mix it up with this light transition color that I used. I don't know, I think I'm gonna use this white eye pencil from LA Colors, and this is a really good pigmented white eye pencil. I'm just gonna use it on my lower lash. This will actually brighten up your eyes a little bit. It will just like open up your eyes a little bit. I use my Absolute New York bronzer. And for my blush, I am going to use this blush from Sugar Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Salmon Superstar. My favorite blush because this will suit Indian skin tone so perfectly. This particular palette from Makeup Revolution. This is also kind of a new product for me because I recently purchased it. I use this to color as my highlighter because I am truly loving this particular palette. Like, look at this highlighter. This is so beautiful. This is what my makeup is looking so far. I'm so far really loving it. I don't know why, but it turned out pretty well. I was really not sure what to create with this eyeshadow palette, but I think this entire look turned out really well. I have two new lip products. One is a lip liner and the second one is a lip gloss. The first product that I am going to use is the voste lip liner, shade number 007, which is a very beautiful nude shade. Okay, this lip liner is actually not bad. It's not too creamy, but it's not bad actually. Okay, then I'm gonna use my NYX lip gloss, and this is their glitter lip gloss, and this is in the shade Bear With Me, which is a very beautiful glittery coral kind of lip gloss. A metallic lip gloss rather than a lip gloss because this contains too much glitter. If you are not that glitter person, you are not gonna love it. Okay, so this is the finished look, and this is what my makeup is looking right now. Happy how everything actually turned out. Personally really liked the eyeshadow palette. I think it's very creamy, it's very pigmented. It's a really good palette, especially if you're a beginner, if you want to invest in a little bit of colorful palette. I personally don't really like the lip liner because I think it's not that pigmented and you have to just go over and over again and then only you can get the pigmentation. Kind of like the foundation. I don't really hate it, I don't really love it. I have to test it out and then only I can actually say it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video.